Hello, a very good morning, all of you. My dear student, we had discussed in the previous video and in my previous lecture on the principle of gamma radiography and radiation source. This topic comes under the radiography, and the radiography comes under the non-destructive testing subject. So under this, we had study radiation sources, natural radioactive sources, man-made radioactive sources, advantage of man-made radioactive sources, disadvantage of man-made radioactive sources, advantage of gamma rays over X-rays radiography, scattered radiation, and the scatter factor formulas RT upon RS, and total radiation RT is equals to RT plus RS, and X-ray films, and what is the application and what are the types of the X-ray films we had studied in the previous lecture. And also we had studied film interpretation and the factor required for the interpretation of films, radiographic sensitivity and radiographic contrast, and radiography definition, and the film factor and radiographic density, which is important. Radiographic density is equals to log IT I naught upon IT. I naught is equals to incident radiation, and the IT is equals to transmitted radiation. And we had also study about Bragg's law, and Bragg's law gives the formula n lambda is equals to 2d sine theta. N lambda is equals to 2d sine theta, where n is equals to it is indicate the order of the reflection. Lambda is equals to wavelength of the rays incident, and d is equals to diameter, interspacing diameter, and theta is the angle. So here in this video I am going to discuss some numericals which is based on the Bragg's law. The first question related to the Bragg's law question: calculate the Bragg's angle if X-ray of wavelength is 1.542 angstrom, deflected from plane 1 to 1, and interatomic spacing is 2.43 angstrom, and assume the first order reflection. Once again I repeat the question, and we have to understand what are the data given in the question. Calculate the Bragg's law angles. We have to find the angle of the Bragg's law. And what are the given in the question? If X-ray of wavelength is given, lambda is given 1.542 angstrom, deflected by plane in bracket 1 to 1, it's mean 1 to 1 का मतलब ये है 1 to 1 मीन्स h कामा k कामा l, मतलब h is equals to 1, k equals to 2 and l equals to 1 is a given, that is the plane h k l. तो h is equals to 1, k equals to 2 and l equals to 1. तो h k l is given in the question, and interatomic spacing is 2.43 angstrom, means A, that is atomic spacing is given by indicated by A is given 2.43 angstrom. Now we have going to solve the problem. The data given, first of all we have to note it down in the paper. What are the data is given in the question? Lambda is equals to 1.542 angstrom, and interatomic spacing A is given 2.43, and n is equals to 1. N equals to 1 because we assume that the first order reflection. The first order reflection means n is equals to 1. If here a second order, then n equals to 2. Okay. So now what is the formula of interplanar distance? So d is denoted by interplanar distance. D is equals to a upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. In the question, h, k and l value is given in the question. So putting the value from the equation from the question, h is equals to 1 square, k equals to 2 square and l equals to 1 square, that is l. So and a equals to given the question 2.43. So after solving this equation, we have get the value of D इज इक्वल टू 0.9920 एंगस्ट्रॉन. ठीक है. According to the Bragg's law, n lambda is equals to 2d sin theta, where n is the first order reflection. N is 1 is given in the question. Lambda is also given in the question. D is we have find just above the value of D, and then we have to find theta. So putting the value of n, lambda and D, after putting the value of n, lambda and D, and after solving this, the theta is equals to how much? We get theta is equals to 51 degree. 51 degree. So the answer is theta is equals to 51 degree and D is equals to 0.9920 understand. So this question is completed. Move to the second question. Actually some questions are asking in the semester examination, including explain what do you understand by the Bragg's law and what is the principle of the Bragg's law, and also express the derivation. Express the formula of the Bragg's law and attach some numerical question, a small numerical question, which is then to complete marks of that question is will be 15 marks or 10 marks. So we have to study what is the Bragg's law and what are the advantages and how to get expression of the Bragg's law. Then some numericals. So first numerical solved, and let's move to the second numerical. Determine the interplanar spacing when a beam of X-ray of wavelength 1.50 angstrom, means wavelength is given in the question, lambda is equals to 1.50 angstrom, and is directed towards two crystal at an angle 20 degree to atomic plane. It's mean theta is given in the question, but in the previous question theta we have find the theta. Okay, but in this question theta is also given in the question to the atomic plane, and assume second order reflection. In the previous question first order reflection, and the current question is second order reflection is given in the question. It's mean n is given, n equals to 2 is given, lambda equals to 1.5 angstrom is given, and theta is equals to 20 degree given. So we easily find out the value of interplanar spacing, that is D, from this formula. My dear student, we have putting you are putting the value of n and lambda and theta, and then after solving we get the answer. Actually I am writing the directly answer because it is very easy question. So we have to put the value of n, lambda and theta, then we get the value of D, that is the interplanar spacing. The 4.4 angstrom is the answer. Okay, now move to the third question. What is the third question? X-ray of wavelength 1.62 angstrom. Again lambda is given in the question, lambda is equals to 1.62 angstrom, are deflected by 211 plane. मतलब it's plane means h comma k comma l is given. मतलब h equals to 2, k equals to 1 and 1 equals to l equals to 1 is given in the question. In a crystal at angle is also given, theta is given 30 degree. Assuming the first order reflection, calculate the interatomic spacing. Again now in this question we have find out the interatomic spacing, means it indicated by A. तो वे A हमें फाइंड आउट करना है माय डियर स्टूडेंट. तो वी नो दैट द फार्मूला ऑफ इंटरस्पेसिंग D is equals to A upon under root h square k square plus l square. In the first question, this formula is using this formula in the third question. So then but also we don't know about the D. Interplanar spacing is not given in the question. First of all we have taken this example and making equation first, and equation first is obtained from the interplanar spacing formula, that is D is equals to A upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. From this equation number first is obtained, and then we have moved to the Bragg's law equation, and lambda equals to 2d sin theta. From this we have taken second equation. After solving first and second equation we will get atomic spacing, that is H equals to 3.968 angstrom. So my dear student, I have already sent the notes and materials and each and everything. So these are the three numerical which is based on the Black's law equation. So my dear student, I hope you're getting my points. Whatever I want, what I want to I want to tell you and teach you. So my dear student, this is the unit third which completed now, and in the next lecture we will discuss in unit number